Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in mixtures. Friends, problem is given in the description box. Friends, initially the quantity of milk in the container is 240 liters. Friends, now x liters of milk is drawn. If x liters of milk is drawn, the quantity of milk left in the container is 240 minus x and replaced with water. So the quantity of water is x. So friends, this is the position of water and milk after first operation, that is x liters of milk is taken out and replaced with water. Fine. Now friends, 20% of the mixture is drawn. 20% of the mixture is drawn. Friends, remember one thing. If 20% of the mixture is drawn, 20% of water comes out and 20% of milk comes out. Friends, 20% of water comes out. 20% water comes out means remaining water is 80%. 80% means 80 by 100, 4 by 5. So the remaining quantity of water after second operation, the remaining quantity of water is 4x by 5, and the remaining quantity of milk is also drawn 20%. So the remaining quantity of milk is 80%. 80% means 4 by 5. So the remaining quantity of milk is 4 by 5 of 240 minus x. Now friends, 20% of the mixture is drawn and equal quantity of water is added. Friends, 20% of 240. 20% of 240 means 48 liters. So 48 liters of water is added. So now the water in the container is 4x by 5 plus 48, and the quantity of milk is 4 by 5 of 240 minus x. Friends, final it is given that in the final mixture the difference between the quantity of milk and the quantity of water is 128 liters. So this minus this is equal to 128. 4 by 5 of 240 minus x minus 4x by 5 minus 48 is equal to 128. Friends, 4 by 5 into 240 minus x is equal to 176. Friends, 176. 4 ones, 444. Friends, 240 minus 2x is equal to 44 5 220. It implies 2x is equal to 20, x is equal to 10. So friends, the value of x is 10. Friends, thank you, have a nice day.